This is a Soda Black production. I heard you like it slow.
Aston Martin truck, Roddy tail off. Had to get a new butler, 4 new maids to clean my house. Get my mama, my daddy, I'm day one nigga, key to my house. Made 500,000 every time you see me out. All the public with the grip, all the fans wanna take a pic. Niggas not on my level, why you mad? I fucked your bitch, had to say it, cause you talking. I ain't even tryna rub it in. I'm tryna make another 100 million, figure out how I'm gon' be my brothers in. Made Marnie poppin', we put Marnie on our jeans. Niggas on my dick, niggas watching my show, tryna see my scene. I been digging your bitch, I'm the heartbreak king. Then you went back and bought another diamond ring. I'm about my money, I'm about my cake, I'm about my cream. I keep telling you niggas I'm in love with lean. Cross on my wrist, Elliot got me right. Stop, I hate my coloring in. Can't fit in a tight spot. Aston Martin truck, Roddy tail off. Had to get a new butler, 4 new maids to clean my house. Get my mama, my daddy, I'm day one nigga, key to my house. Made 500,000 every time you see me out. Aston Martin truck, Roddy tail off. Had to get a new butler, 4 new maids to clean my house. Get my mama, my daddy, I'm day one nigga, key to my house. Made 500,000 every time you see me out. I pop my shit, she top a list, these niggas ain't stopping shit. I keep a chopstick, don't see no competition. I ride in G4, she off a G6. Stick to the street code, can't never tell shit. I had her 10 seats, riding in the Bentley coupe, okay. She was in the Bel Air crib, okay. Hit it in the bed again, okay. She was like, scene for me, okay. She seen a hit low key, okay. You wanna vent OT, okay. You wanna be a real rich bitch, okay. She said she wanna live in LA, so I had to show her the city. She know I'm for really, she know I ain't kiddie. She know I be hanging with killers. Had her hanging with me, throwing up seeds, looking like one of the members. I never did pay for the pussy, cause that was not on my agenda. Aston Martin truck, Roddy tail off. Had to get a new butler, 4 new maids to clean my house. Get my mama, my daddy, I'm day one nigga, key to my house. Made 500,000 every time you see me out. Aston Martin truck, Roddy tail off. Had to get a new butler, 4 new maids to clean my house. Get my mama, my daddy, I'm day one nigga, key to my house. Made 500,000 every time you see me out.
Yeah, he put dick in your bitch. How about that? That's why you're so mad. Did you pour champagne on her? Did you give her a little bit or a lot of bit? I like that song, but I didn't know why I liked it. I really like it now. You bitch you.
My friend, you know what it feels to be up at 4 in the morning? Cause he had his first baby and it was supposed to be yours. Niggas screenshots come instead of choking me up. Now I'm crying on this line like it's supposed to be us. And he don't even feel this shit. I don't think I understand how real it gets. Killing me inside, I can't live this shit. Catch me on the right night and I kill this bitch in the taste. Remind me of the bar we built, but I ain't ready to cover it up, so motherfuck these niggas. Ever since I got with you, I so what these niggas? You moved on, so I guess I gotta love these